Welcome to the channel, guys. I am the Tuesday Prepper. This is the Tuesday Prepper channel. And in front of me today, I have the 12-inch extra large titanium Hooligan tool made by Countycom. This tool is great, you guys. I bought two of them when they first came out, and I have tried to use and abuse this one, and I haven't been successful in destroying it just yet. So I'll give you a little bit of a history course on this tool and why it has these weird features that are different from your typical, I don't know, like cat paw Milwaukee nail puller or your traditional looking pry bars. What is different about this is, well, one, you see the pike spike, you have your pry head, and you have your duck bill. And the Hooligan tool is actually a play on the name Halligan. Hugh Halligan was a firefighter in 1948. He was actually a fire chief of the New York City Fire Department, who came up and created this design for a Halligan bar. There's a full-size version of this, and it included multiple features that firefighters were looking for to breach and to apply leverage and to use as a multi-tool. So all three of these features are for prying, twisting, making holes, and breaking things open. And this is the hammer side. Typically, you'll see that as well. Same with this. It's a flat surface for hammering. Also, flat surface. I mean, it's a genius design. This, in combination with an axe, is typically known as the irons in the fire department. And the firefighters that are equipped with an axe and the Halligan bar, they can breach pretty much any structure, guys. So this is a great option, in my opinion, to add to your emergency loadouts or to your Tuesday Prepper bags or whatever you want to call it. But it's also a great option to just have around the shop. If you want to break down some pallets, open some paint cans to use this for prying tasks, this will do it, guys. This is a great option for that. And as a size comparison, this is the Knipex 250 10-inch plier wrench. So as you can see, this is about 2 inches longer. But I think actually, yeah, I don't know, it's so lightweight. Here's the cat paw. Here's a Home Depot pencil, just to give you an idea. You could add this to your everyday carry bags. You could even add it to a chest rig if you wanted to. So it's a great multi-tool, and I think Countycom did a phenomenal job. I'm not sponsored by them. I'm not affiliated with them. I don't even have an affiliate link. I just want to review gear that I think is good and I think deserves a spot in your emergency preparedness systems. And this one covers so many of my needs in one tool. So for only being 11 ounces and 12 inches in length, it's big enough to be a tool, not a toy. The 8-inch version of it, Countycom also makes an 8-inch version. It's a little cheaper, but it uses 400% less titanium. And it's more of a toy, not necessarily a tool. This one's a tool. With it being titanium, you could sharpen the edges, you could heat treat it, you could customize it, you can do whatever you want with it. The only complaint I have, it has pinned end caps, and there's a pin right here for the pike, there's a pin for the duck bill, and there's a pin for the pry head. And this specific pin, not on my other one, and it came like this out of the box, has a little bit of wiggle, enough to where it's noticeable, but not enough to where it interferes with the action of the item. Good job, Countycom. I appreciate when you come out with tools that are effective and awesome and cool at the same time. So pry bars are all the rage right now, and this titanium pry bar is my #1 recommendation if you're in the market for one. If you're not in the market for one, you should still buy one because they are great to have when you need them. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe, and let me know what you think in the comments down below.